the Adveco AD range of high-efficiency, wall-mounted condensing gas-fired water heaters, designed to provide a compact, high-capacity and reliable method for delivering instantaneous hot water to a building where space is at a premium. AD Wall-Mounted is a range of A-class energy-efficient water heaters available in 3 rated heat outputs from 27 to 61 kilowatts. Compact and tough, the water heater's high-quality patented titanium stabilized stainless steel heat exchanger provides exceptional construction strength and corrosion resistance in soft water. The efficient premix burner creates minimum NOx and carbon emissions, making AD an eco-friendly way to serve a domestic hot water system. The unit additionally features a high 1:8 modulation ratio to ensure maximum efficiency even during periods of low demand. By reducing energy consumption, AD can deliver operational savings of up to 30% compared to traditional water heaters for a wide range of commercial applications that demand large production of domestic hot water. The wall-mounted AD range from Adveco.